Grove Street, home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
Carl Johnson. CJ. My dog, what's up? Remember my name. Nice one, CJ, here we go. You know I'm your brother. Right. And it says, for real. Chicken, man, no discussion. Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man. Man, that's some good shit. I'll have you. What's the matter, fool? You tired? Keep up, motherfucker. What you doing? You got 5. Don't expect me to kiss your ass. CJ. Carl, you motherfucking piece of shit gang-banging cocksucker. It ain't over, Carl. It ain't over.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Screw you! Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster.